So for time, we have a, so I told you, right, SYST structure is there. Go to structure, S11, SYST. Okay. So once you see here, so here, where is our datum? So datum, it is coming from here only. You remember, right? Psi datum means SY datum. Here is there, right? From this structure only we are getting the datum. And the same way, where we are getting this time. See here, both are coming from application server, current date and current time. So this is what I'm taken, UZEAT. See here, this is only UZEAT. So always time would be like, no, hours, minutes and seconds. Yeah, whatever we take in that, what is the current time? Third one is showing. We don't have third one. Okay, third one current time is from it is taking from side item. Okay, we didn't assign, right, third one. I can assign same. So we didn't take third one, but that is the way it is showing 000. Now you can see here, this is the current time in the system. You can see 8:06 a.m. So same that is showing in the system level. It is taken from the application server. Okay, 8:6:21. Okay. So like this we will define, but we will not use more times. So only dates we will use. More important characteristics and numC and the date only will use more. Times we never used. So okay, you just remember this thing SYST structure. Structure. Go to structure S11. Okay. You will get like no all system defined variables. By default they're given it. So now you can see like now I1, it is taking flooring value. Integer, it is taking flooring value. Now see 104, 104. First, it is not taking decimals and all. Okay, P2 it is taking like no, P2 it is taking decimals. Now you can see 103 exactly it is taking. And this is like, this is floating like it is taking like no, exponential values and all. It is taking. So that you can do 103 by 100. So you can do 103 by 100. You will get the same value. Let me take it. So you will get the same value, okay? This is how we'll work all these things, okay? And in the real time, if we want to define any like variables in our BW system, so you can do like this. Example, you can define it. How much length of this? So this is 18th length. So like this also you can define it. So from Mara table also I'm taking this one. See, so you are taking Mara MATLAB. This is how much length. I will go to here Mara table S11. I'm typing Mara table. Okay, this is the Mara table. What is the MATLAB table? This one. Field length, what is the length? Char and 18. So here, see here, by default it is taking this property. What is the MATLAB length? 18 and data type C. That is taking LV underscore mat1. So in this case, first one, so this is also taking 18 and data type also C. Okay, both are same only. Okay, this also same. LV mat 2 also same. Okay, so these are all same. You can declare like any way you can define it. So I'm not facing any issues. So like this you can define it. Example fiscal period. Okay, this is the variable. So you can define it like this if you want. So I can go and check and take RSO, RSD1. What is the fiscal period? So I will go here. I will take this data element. What is the length and data type? num_c and 7. So that only will come here. Got it? So like this, you can define the variables. Okay. And this is a variable LV underscore p square and LV underscore p square to the variables. Okay. So a variable is a value. Variable is a variable. Parameter is a variable which will ask user to enter a runtime. Okay. So we'll see how to declare parameters and all. Okay. Example. So you can define like this. So I'm taking tables like this one and okay, parameters. Okay. So this means EKKO is the table. From EKKO table, I'm taking this is the field. Okay. P underscore comp is the like no user defined variable. So this is not variable. Now it is a kind of parameter. Parameter also variable. So what we are saying like no parameter is a variable which will ask user to enter a value at runtime. So now once you create all these parameters, you have to enter value. Okay, you have to enter a value. So kind of it will ask you are kind of designing a screen. So you can define like these variables and parameters. Now you can select, activate it. Now see how parameters will be like activate. See if you want to change P underscore KKVG text to user friendly, also you can change it. You can go here, you can go to variants and you can change. So where you can change it. Yeah, I will tell you. The text program P underscore KKR also you can change it. Somewhere we can change it. I will tell you. Okay, I will tell you later. And we can change this as well. Okay, user variable selection screen. Okay. Okay. See, kind of you are giving single value only. Okay. So we are not getting multiple values. This is just a single value and you can enter at a runtime level. Now we'll see how to, this is how you are designing the parameter. And if you want any selections, see, this is multiple selections. So input parameter is the single value and select options is multiple values. Select options is multiple options. Observe this. Okay. You can give like no 100 to 200. You want to see 200. So now you can do it. Okay. 2000. So now you can see from this company code to this company code, you are displaying the data. And if you want single values, ranges, exclude ranges also, you can define it. Okay. This is not important, but I'm just showing you. Okay. Okay. You activated, right? So now you know how to define parameter and also select options, multiple options. Now you can see other one, how to define structure. So we will define like no so kind of so we are defining a one variable sorry structure. How to define so in the end routine and start routine and export routine and data source enhancement we are going to define user defined structure. This is the user defined structure. This is not required for your understanding only. Okay. You will understand easily customer exit and data source enhancement and end routines. It will be very easy to have the basics. Second value it is taken. Now if you want to check, now you can see both record. And now first record is showing this one, and let me just close. This is comment. It is overwriting the first record to second record. Okay. Overwriting the second record. Fine. So this is how you can do the handling of code through hard coding in the within the code itself. You are taking the values from the program itself. We are doing it. Okay. And now we'll see. So now we are fetching from the LFA1. Okay. So we given somewhere. So basically LFA1 is the database table. See. So what we declared parameter. Okay, parameter means right? Parameter is a like a variable, and user can give the input only single input at the runtime. Correct. So LIFNR is the field in the LFA1 table. This is a vendor table. So select a single star from LFA1 means only we are fetching single record. We are fetching only single record, not simple. Sorry, single record. Fetch single record from the database table. So this is the database table. This is the database table where we are using select statement. We are fetching data from this table. Now single star means if you don't give single, it will fetch complete. Only select single star means only one record it is coming and put into the LSFA font. We already declared this LFA1 work area. This is work area, LSFA1 work area. And where whatever you are giving input, that it will fetch it. Okay, let me see now. See it out. What is the variable? I'm selecting. If you want, you can enter also. I don't know. So I will go to SC11. I will enter the LFA1. LFA1. Okay, so this is the vendor master data. See, vendor master data table. So what is the LFA1? Execute it and I will enter one value. So it is fetching one record. So what is I'm fetching this 50 record. Okay, I'm passing this and I'm executing it. So we are not displaying, right? We didn't write statement and all. So if you write the statement, then it will display as well. As of now, we didn't write the code. So now if the value is available, then it will display. So I'm doing it like this. If the value is available, then it will display. These are the fields from table. And else, so now check it. So incorrect nesting. Let me go somewhere issue. Okay. No. Let me try else. What is the value we given? 50. Now it is displaying. Okay. So we are displaying what? Go to here. Go to here. So we are taking LIFNR and LAN. This vendor is coming from where? So this is only right. DE means from Dutch. It is coming from Germany. Where is DE? This vendor is coming from Germany. Okay. And this is land. Land means country kind of. Okay. This one, vendor name. So what is the vendor name? Central Logistic Agency. That is only coming, right? So New York, ORT01. So if you want, you can do that as well. So you can add this one. LS underscore LFA1 OR OR. What is the field name? ORT01 T01. Okay. So now you can see this value as well. Okay. So you are fetching one record from the database table. You are based on our input, it is displaying the data. Okay. We are seeing for this, okay, New York. So exactly it is matching, right? Now I will go for this one, 75. 75 having like no Berlin. Okay, go back and enter 75 and execute it. So we are fetching one record from the database table. Okay. So simple program here. It might be you will get requirement in the future. So that time I don't say don't know. Okay. Try like this, implement it. Okay. See, very simple only. Just try to understand the program. What we define it here. So you know, right, how to populate the parameter. So you know, right? So simple parameter you defined it. It is giving single value. Okay. So when you create parameter, it is coming like no, this screen will come. Okay. Then you are defining this work area. You know, right, how to declare the work area in the end routine, start routine, and all. And then this is the simple statement. Select single. Only one record is coming from, not many records. If you remove this, multiple records will come. Multiple records will come. Actually, so it won't allow now. We'll see. Later I will lift. This is just a select single, only one record we are fetching it. Okay. And then we are checking whether it is success or not. So this once it is success, then it will bring data from this table and displaying. So you can give one value like which is not available. Example 125. It is available. If it is not available, no valid vendor. So now we meet our right if and else it is working as expected. Simple program we retain it. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.